So if I go to google.com and I'm connected to a US server, I'm going to see Google as it appears to a US audience. So what happens if we change countries? Well, the cool part is we can do that really simply. On a Mac, there's a NordVPN icon in the top taskbar, and at any point, you can simply open a miniature version of NordVPN and change your location. So let's change our location to Japan and see what happens. NordVPN will find the best server, connect to Tokyo, and now let's refresh Google. And now just like that, we have Google in Japanese. Okay, so what do we do with this newfound power and flexibility? One use case that's incredibly common is unlocking content that's been geo-restricted. For example, let's go to Netflix. So let's say I'm from the United States traveling in Japan and I want to watch the same shows I've been watching at home. If I go to log into Netflix on a public Wi-Fi network at the hotel, this is probably what I'd see. As we scroll through, notice the collection of shows and movies. If we switch back to the United States and then refresh Netflix, notice that as we scroll through the United States version, there's different content. That's because the United States has a completely different content library than Japan. And because we have access to this other content library, I can catch up on the same shows I was watching at home.